What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle and I'm back with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing. You guys at 𝗗𝗏𝗗𝗘𝗧.com. Now in today's video, this is a bonus cash stuffing for week 3 of September 2022. I am just trying to get caught up on my cash stuffings. I was behind by 1 week and hopefully this will catch me up to real time. So let's dive right into the budget and see how much money we're going to be working with today. Okay, so I am inside of my undated digital planner. Let me bring you guys closer, which means I'll probably have to scooch some of this out the way. There we go. So for today, we will be working with a total budget of $724. So here is how I plan to spend that money for this week. This is a total income for myself, for my business, RochelleAdamson.com, and my work for my sister Locke's work. So first off, I got Micah to help me with the budget this week because he wants to be more involved with the finances. And I'm so happy because normally he just works and kind of just gives me all of this stuff. But since we've been working with so much more money lately, I really want to be more responsible with our finances so that we can truly achieve some of our money goals this year. We are trying to just get our savings back up. And so here we go. Speaking of savings, $200 is going to go to my business. $42 is going to the contractor that helps me out with my business. $100 will be stuffed today in this video. And then we are going to be contributing to our Hawaii sinking fund, which is our moving fund. It's going to get $267, and then $115 will be going to taxes to make sure we're good for tax time. So if you add all of that up, it equals a humble $724. So thank you guys for supporting my business. I do not take it lightly. I haven't really been posting, especially on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, and I still was able to generate sales. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Now let's dive into this cash stuffing. Okay, so this is the cash breakdown that I will be using for today. It comes inside of my undated digital planner, and it also comes, I think, as a single digital purchase if you want to buy it from my website, RochelleAdamson.com. We will be stuffing a total of $215 today, plus I already looked at my wallet and saw that I had some leftover money, so I wanted to make a plan for that. So let's dive into and make sure we got the right amount of cash with the right denominations. Okay, so we have a total of 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 195, 200, 205, 210, and $215. So I'm supposed to have 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 20s. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5. So that equals the $215 that we'll be stuffing today. Let's start with my wallet. So let's go ahead and see how much we will be working with to unstuff. I know I have $10 left over in my Row wallet. I have some gift cards left. I did use some of my gift card, and I think I have about $50 or $60 left on it. So that's good. That'll go toward groceries. And I also have a $5 Foodland card. Here is $1 left over for tips. And I think everything else is empty. Oh, I do have another gift card for Walmart. So I put that under miscellaneous. So when I actually go, I can cover some transactions. I have some money that is going back to the bank, $20, $25, $30 that Eva gave me. She made an Amazon purchase. So I will deposit that. And I don't have any coins this time. So if we take this $11, we are going to contribute to our savings challenges. So here we go. I am going to first contribute to the Zero Out challenge because I did not transfer any money over. And I'm doing a far away view, but basically I am going to contribute $1 for week 3 of September. And let's shade in the 0. Let me see. Let me get the right color. This is not the right color. I can tell it's too dark. I do that every time. Yeah, this is the right one. So just trying to stay consistent, adding at least $1 a week. I wasn't able to contribute anything the first week, but we are back on track for that. And so let me add that $1 to the Zero Out Challenge. Forgive me, y'all. Sometimes when I'm recording, my mind is not here. And honestly, I am not here. My mind is on that couch. But it's the weekend. I'm ready to relax. Okay, so that's what we'll do for that. And then I am going to also contribute to the Debits Day Off Challenge. It will get the 10. So let's get that color. Because I see last week I was tripping, y'all. I'm using pink when I'm supposed to be using something else. But anyway, we'll shade in a little more for this month. Okay. And we'll write in our progress, which is another $10. Beautiful. So now we have $20 for the month of September. And that is the only thing we're going to be contributing to this week for our savings challenges. So we're done with this. Next, we're going to stuff some money into my business taxes per usual. It is going to get $115. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 115. So we are going to be ready to do another cash swap scene. So we have, y'all, this lighting, why is it so intense today? I'm like trying to figure it out. Sometimes it's not bright enough. Sometimes it's too bright. Okay. 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 600, 620, 640, 660, 680, 700, 720, 740, 760, 780, 800, 820, oops, 840, 850, 855, 860, 61, 62, 63, 64. So 864 plus the 2K, we got 2864 going on. So 2864, and we contributed another 115. And this is 9, today is 9/17. So we are moving right along for taxes. That is the only thing I'm going to be contributing to. The rest of the money I'm going to put in here. And stay to the end, guys, because I'm definitely doing an expense cash out also combined with this video, because I need to cover transactions for the month of August and the beginning of September while my mom was visiting. So we're going to handle that in this video too. But first up, I'm going to give myself $25. Then I'm going to give groceries $20 since it has a good amount of groceries here. I usually put 50 at least every time I stuff my wallet, but this time I'm just going to do 20 because I pretty much have $55 at least, maybe more. So plus this 20 will work for us. And we also buy groceries with our money online. Next is tips, which is going to get $5. Eating out is next. It's going to get $20. Next is our Hawaii sinking fund. It's going to get $20. I usually only put money in here when we're going to do something like when a guest comes or when we're doing something that we don't usually do. So we have plans. And then miscellaneous is going to get $5. And then hubby and Eva is just going to get $5. Okay, so now my wallet is stuffed for the week. Now it is time for a brief, and I do mean brief, an expense cash out. So let me prep for that. Okay, so here is my expense tracker. I have it color coded with red, yellow, and green just to keep it simple this time. So we will be focused on the red transactions. The yellows are either pending, they're reimbursements, they are things that I already have planned money to cover. So we just got to focus on the red. Okay, so first up, let's start with my business expenses. So I am going to pull $100 at least for my P.O. box. It's time for that to come out. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. It really is 200, but I am going to, since we're moving, I am going to just make a partial payment. They already charged me, but they already told me that I'll be able to get half of my money back. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Yeah. So I will go ahead and deposit this money to cover that. So minus 100 is $3. Then, oh, let me check it off as I go. That's the other thing, so I don't get mixed up. Okay, and then I need to pull at least $16 from bills. So I have 20, 40, 45. I'll just go ahead and pull a 20. So this had 45, we're pulling 20. It now has, whoa, 35? Is that right? No, wait a minute. 25. Can't math today. So then I can check that one off. And then we're going to pull $50 from shipping. I have 70, so we're going to go ahead and pull the 50. And anything else for my wallet, my business expenses? Oh yes, and then I'm going to pull some money from my income to cover a gift that I sent. So I'm going to just pull $70 for that. If we do this right, I should have at least $600 today, y'all. If we do this right. So let me check off that. Alrighty, next up, we're going to go to my Sisterlock's cash envelopes. Now, I already took out some money because I wanted to cover some spending. So I kind of did that off camera already. But for supplies, I need at least $34. So we got 20, 45. I'll just pull 40. I had to buy some supplies for my Sisterlock's business. And I think that's the only thing for Sisterlock's. Yes. So we can check that off. Okay, so I wasn't recording that whole time, but guys, we've been pulling money for categories. That's how it goes. So what I was saying was I just pulled $30 from House and Hygiene because I've been buying paper plates and paper forks or plastic forks, whatever. But we have a really strict styrofoam law here, so it's hard to find like plastic forks and spoons and stuff like that. So when I find it, I'm going to stock up. But anyway, moving on, we're going to pull 25 from Micah, and this will go to his wallet. That'll leave him with 20. So we'll just say minus 5 is 20 because clearly I have not been good at keeping up with the backs. Then we're going to pull $20 from Ro. That'll empty me out again. You know how it is when you have a guest. You just, especially when it's your mommy, you go all out. And I think that is it. Yes. So let me just make sure I updated my categories. Beauty should be empty. Eva should be down to 15. Fun money should have 0. Gifts should have 0. Gas 0. Hawaii 0. Health should have 10. House and Hygiene 20. Mike 20. Row 0. And that is it for these categories. Okay, so now let's get organized here. I was just a rolling, not recording. That's how it goes. I can put that back in my prop money. But this is why I stick to cash, because I don't think I ever would have been able to save this much in the bank. So you got to do what works for you. Okay? That's the reality. You have to do what you got to do. Okay, so we have a total of 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 500, 510, 520, 530, 540, 550, 560, 570, 575, 578. Plus I needed to pull this $25. So 578 plus 25 is 603. So that is correct. I needed at least $600 to cover all of the transactions, plus give Micah some walking around money, his $25 that I usually put in his wallet. And I put this in his wallet to supplement money that is already in his wallet, because I try to keep him, you know, just with a little bit of cash, just in case he wants to buy something outside of his personal money. So this is what I will be depositing in the bank to cover our spending for the month of August and the beginning of September. So guys, this method really works. It looks like madness, but it works. I cannot say it enough. But that is all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace, love, and budgets.